Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty Bay. I am Vashika. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about few products that I have recently purchased and they are very pocket friendly and highly affordable. I will quickly share with you the 10 products that are now becoming an essential part of my body care routine. So let's start with the video. Best part of these 10 products are that they are budgeted under 500 rupees and are highly affordable according to their size and packaging. All this product has occupied a great place in my bathroom shelf these days. The first product I have selected for my body care routine is Mamaearth Cocoa Body Wash. This is the latest new launch from Mamaearth and I am in love with this product. Trust me guys, this body wash would become one of your favorite body washes because it is very mild. The best part about this product is its fragrance, the fine coffee fragrance, and I am totally in love with the coffee fragrances because I am a diehard fan of a coffee. All the products from Mamaearth are paraben and SLS free. They are dermatologically tested and suits for all body types. The best part of Mamaearth products are they are highly affordable and highly effective also. This comes in a packaging of 300 ml which is priced at rupees 299 only. One of the most promising part of this product is it leathers well and it is easy to remove. It does not take time to get rid of your body. So I really recommend this product from Mamaearth Cocoa Body Wash. The next product I'm going to discuss about is the Vaseline body gel in the fragrance rose. I recently got hand on this product and I was really dying to try this product. In summers, as you all know, that our body becomes highly sensitive and too much of a greasy product can't be used in the summer. So the best part that got me attracted toward this product, it is a gel based body lotion and I was really looking to try a product that is very highly absorbing into the body and does not leave the body greasy or oily at the moment and keeps us hydrated for long hours. The second thing that I got attracted to this product is the fragrance part. The rose fragrance is very light and gentle. So I highly recommend this product if you are looking for a very lightweight moisturizer for your body which keeps it hydrated and you also smell good along with that. So I highly recommend this product. This product come in a packaging of 200 gram and which is priced at 250 rupees, which makes it really affordable. I would like to show you the texture of the product. You can see it is very light, highly absorbing and perfectly scented. We all know that the summers in India are very hot and humid. So we really need a product that can cool down our body and is very gentle on our skin. So my third recommended product would be the Nivea Shower Gel. It has the aquatic scent in it which makes it really cool and smooth on our skin and to our senses also. I really like this product, especially in summers when it is so much hot and humid outside. It comes in various size. I bought 125 ml for just rupees 125 and I really love the pricing part of Nivea. It is really affordable on our pockets. My fourth recommended product would be Mamaearth Body Yogurt. I am really becoming the fan of body yogurt, especially in summers when our skin needs perfect hydration without that greasy touch or that oily touch that sometimes our body lotions give us. So I'll highly recommend a yogurt to people who especially have oily skin type. They can easily go for a body yogurt. This product from Mamaearth is in the variants Upton. It's an Upton based yogurt, so it has a very natural scent that mostly the natural products have. You can see guys, I have almost emptied the bottle because I really like this product and this is my go-to product, especially in summers. The product is also rich in yogurt and the turmeric and the saffron, which gives it a very pleasant smell and it does not irritate your nose anyhow. It is very mild. The quantity of the product is 200 ml and it is priced at 499. But I would say Mamaearth always run few offers on their website or on the different platform on which they are selling. You can easily buy it on a discount of around at least 20% minimum. To check their website before purchasing any Mamaearth product from the other platforms. They always have a discount offer, and I believe I purchased it for around 400 rupees. My next product would be from Body Shop, and it's their body gel in the variant Satsuma. I highly recommend this product, people, because of its fragrance, the orange fragrance, the citrus fragrance it has. It's one of the best citrus fragrance I have tried in so many years. This is one body shower gel that I always keep with me, and I am continuously using it for 2-3 years now, and I'm always in love with this product. The product easily leathers on your skin. It comes in 250 ml and it is priced at 345 rupees, so it makes it a must affordable product from Body Shop, and I highly recommend it. My sixth product would be Nivea Oats Body Milk Lotion, and this is their new launch from Nivea also, and I am highly loving this range from Nivea. The best part of this lotion, it's an oat body lotion, and it gives you a very high moisturizing, and especially people with the dry skin can go with this lotion because it's highly moisturizing, highly nourishing, and highly affordable also. The packaging itself shows that it is made from 98% of the natural ingredients to make it a must, because I really like the products that are very gentle on my skin and does not cause any kind of a side effect. So I highly recommend this body lotion from Nivea. It comes in the packaging of 350 ml, which makes it highly affordable at a price of 399, and it is available on online platforms, so you can buy it from there. Seventh product that I recommend under 500 budget is this M Caffeine body scrub, a coffee based body scrub, and guys, really trust me guys on this product. This is a must have product. I really don't know how many bottles of this product I have emptied since the time it has launched. It's like more than 2 or 3 years. So I am a great fan of the brand M Caffeine, and this is one of my favorite products, and you can see I have almost emptied this bottle also. If you want a smooth brighter texture, I recommend this product. If you want to get rid of tan, I highly recommend this product. If you just want to get rid of impurities from your body, I highly recommend this product. So this is one of my favorite product. I always keep on buying, repurchasing this product again and again from McCaffeine, and trust me, this is one of the best scrub that is available under the price range of 500, and which is highly effective also. It is a 100-gram jar and it is priced at 449 rupees. You can easily buy it from their website and other platforms also. I'll put all the links in the description box for all the products that are available on different platforms also. So guys, just go for this product. Just trust me guys, just go for this product. This is my ninth product under the recommendation of rupees 500, and it is my absolute all-time favorite. It's a body mousse. So the best part of this product is I can show you. It's a body mousse, and I really love this product. So you can see how perfect it leathers and the comfort it gives while it's on your skin. I really enjoying shower with this product. I was so in love with this product the time I purchased it and the time I'm using it. It is highly recommended from my side, and if you just want to try a very different product apart from the shower gels, body shower creams, this is one of the product that you should go for. It's a shower mousse. It comes in a packaging of 200 ml, priced at 349 rupees, and it is highly affordable when it comes to a shower mousse. This product has other variants also, but the variant I selected is the coconut shower mousse, and there are, I guess, rose variant also in it, so you can just try it. I really like this product. Ninth product in my list is the Vaseline body lotion, and I really love this lotion because it comes with the SPF in it, and SPF is a must thing when it comes to a body lotion, especially when we are going around. When I used to travel around, I really look for a lotion that has SPF in it because it keeps me protected from the harmful UV rays. And most amazing part of this lotion is it is not greasy at all. It does not leave any kind of white patches on your body, and it absorbs well into your skin, keep your skin hydrated and protected from the UV damage. It is a 400 ml packaging which is priced at 375 rupees, which make it a must affordable product and must part of your body care routine. Last product and the 10th product that I recommend under affordable category of 500 rupees is this Nivea shower gel. This shower gel is the part of their latest launch along with the body lotion that I have showed you earlier, the Oats body lotion. What else I can say about this product? It is also made from 98% of natural ingredients. It is vegan. It is very gentle, light on your skin. It leathers well. You can easily wipe it off from your body. It does not take much of the efforts to get rid of the product. The quantity of the product is 300 ml, which is priced at rupees 299, which also makes it a must buy and a highly affordable product. These body shower gels are available in different variant also. The variant I selected is the Lily. I really like flower based fragrance and Lily is one of my favorite, and it is a must go product if you also like body washes which has flower fragrance in it. So I highly recommend the product body shower gel from Nivea in the fragrance Lily. I hope you all like the selection of the products under 500 affordable category. Please do like, comment and share. Please do let me know in case of any product or details that you are looking for all the 10 products that I have mentioned, and all the products are available under rupees 500 only. So you can check out the various online platforms, and even few products are available in the retail outlets also. I'm also available on Instagram. Please do follow my ID BeautyBay22 at Instagram, and I'll share all the descriptions in the description box. Please do like, comment and share as much as possible as you can. I will be coming up with more such videos on skincare, body care and the makeup. Please do follow my channel, and thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.